evaluator was Godfrey. May I please request Godfrey to carry the evaluator? Please clap.
Good evening, Toastmasters, guests, evaluator, and Joseph Das in particular. Should I call you JD?
Yeah. JD.
You are attempting project number 7, research your topic. This topic calls for knowing the knowledge, whether you know it or not, and you fill the gap with the research to help the audience know the subject more clearly and where they can relate with you. And you are ready with all the anticipated questions, with all the facts and figures, and you use the sources very wisely. And secondly, what I liked is the necessary context. Unless until in any speech, if you are not the center of the example that you give, it does not make any sense. As they say, because any text without a context is a pretext. And you have done wisely by telling the audience that how you were and how you used all these techniques to reduce weight and be fit so that you can be more productive in your life. And ultimately you also gave the examples how in your career graph, when you moved in the rat race, you ultimately found that going through this rat race, ultimately even if you win, you still remain a rat. And you gave all the examples how you can overcome by giving the remedies, by eating patterns, TV, avoiding TV and all those things. And the best thing what I liked is the overflowing usage of triads. Some of them I have noted, but like trials and tribulations, tips, tools and techniques, fit as a fiddle, prevent and prepare, repent or repent and repair. Wonderful usage of triads which you have incorporated, which you have learned through all the 7 projects which you have done. And some of the great areas, if I could just, which comes to my mind and I'd like to highlight to you so that we can improve upon it, is there were too many statistics. So never crowd too many statistics, the audience feel loaded. So if you can have it more precise and give an example like what in this room there are more than 7, so out of 10 there are more 5 people who have a paunch or who have don't take exercises very seriously. All this thing. And then if you could have come a little early and sync with the person who is going to operate the slides, it would have been more easier for the audience to follow it because there was a lot of gap when you were doing it. And you could have varied the support materials. So what happens is you are ready for the information to be given. And second thing is, if I would highlight the other thing is like you require more animated when you require to be animated when you are giving a speech, but then if it is more than it can be distracting. So if you can just control yourself, it would be grand. And the other thing what I could have suggested is, if you could have, instead of giving too many information, if you would have just given 1-page handout, it would have been very good for the audience. All in all, what I can say is, you really persevere to inspire. I can see when Mr. Paresh came and he felt guilty about it and he really said I should take a lesson from it. I give you a big round of applause. Please give a big round of applause to